Is your gaming rig sounding like a jet engine lately? Today, we're diving into how to check your GPU temperature in Windows 11, ensuring your graphics card stays cool and performs at its best. First, let's use Task Manager, a built-in tool. Right-click on the Start button and select Task Manager. In Task Manager, click on the Performance tab. Look for your GPU listed on the left-hand side. Click on it. If your GPU driver supports it, you'll see the temperature displayed right here. If not, don't worry, we have other options. Next, we'll try the DirectX Diagnostic Tool. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. Type DirectX and press Enter. In the DirectX Diagnostic Tool, click on the Display tab. Unfortunately, this tool doesn't directly show the temperature, but it provides valuable information about your GPU that can be useful for troubleshooting. For a more detailed and continuous monitoring, let's use MSI Afterburner, a popular third-party software. Download and install it from a reputable source. Open MSI Afterburner. MSI Afterburner provides real-time monitoring of your GPU's temperature, fan speed, and more. You can even customize fan curves to optimize cooling. You can also choose to display the temperature on screen while gaming. And that's it. By monitoring your GPU temperature, you can prevent overheating, extend the lifespan of your graphics card, and ensure smooth gaming performance. Thanks for watching.